Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's awesome that you're tuning in. So in this video we are going to take a close look at this 15-inch IPS display. It's a portable, very nice thin display that you can carry on with you. It's very convenient. It comes with built-in speakers. But okay, let's start with the unboxing and what are we going to get inside the box. Okay, so I just wanted to give you a quick look inside the box and how everything is packed up. So this is a 15.6-inch display. It's, by the way, IPS panel. What I do like about it is it has very colorful and very good view angle. The Full HD 1080p display has an USB-C connection and HDMI. Alright, so at the bottom we're finding two seals of quality, or seals that you know for sure that it didn't open it up already. Everything needs to be checked up, so I'm going to open it up very gently, turn it around, and let's see what we're going to get inside the box. Right, so let's remove the protection foil. Here we're having the display itself. It's a 15-inch, so it's quite huge and it feels quite heavy, but not like heavy in a bad way, but it is very heavy like in quality way. Here we're having the manual. It's more like the basic Chinese manual with not a lot of information. But here you can see, and we will take a close look at it later with the ways how you connect it and what you can do with it. Okay, here we're having the first cable. Manual clothing for cleaning it up, some extra cables like the HDMI to mini HDMI, and of course the Type-C cable that we can use for a phone. It's just basically an HDMI very slim portable display, pretty cool, so you can use this with your Nintendo Switch, PlayStation 4, Xbox and other devices. The portable monitor is 15.6-inch IPS and we're having in Full HD with 60 Hz. Because it's an IPS display, you can see that the view angle is very good. Beside the display quality, we're having also 2x 1 watt speakers, and these are pretty loud. Okay, so let's take a close look at the monitor itself and how is the quality built, because there can be a little bit different between all the models. Alright, so when folding it open, the protection cover is one with the device itself. So far I can see what previous models I've reviewed, I did see you can remove it with more like a magnet connection, but not with this one. So when you're looking at the casing where the monitors are in, and I must say it's fully made of plastic so far I can see. I did have some different brands that were made from metal and they got a more durable feeling, and this thing feels quite nice, durable, but it's just made from plastic. So this is what you're going to get with the 15.6 Full HD monitor if it comes to the build quality. So let's take a closer look at the connection and what can we do with it. So at the side we're going to get a speaker, we're having headphone jack Type-C, and we're having this scrolling wheel where we can move up and down. So simply we can go navigate through the menu for the brightness, contrast, and some other modes like game modes. Here we're having it on standard, but also we're having fast FPS and some more options. So it's quite interesting if you want to play some video games on this monitor, that gives the monitor a possibility simply because it is especially made for games. So on the other side we're having HDMI mini, then we're Type-C, and the other Type-C is for powering on the device, and of course the right speaker. So the finishing of the cover, it looks very thick, it looks very quality, and I do like this. Okay, so with all the settings just put to the basic, to the 50%, I think it's a pretty nice looking monitor. The colors are pretty vibrant, but it is of course due of the IPS display. So I think it's a pretty convenient device having a portable monitor like this. 15-inch, it's not a very big monitor, but big enough to play and enjoy some games on your retro game system too. So if you're having let's say a Chinese handheld or something else that has an HDMI compatibility, you can also use it on this monitor. It works like a charm, plug and play, and as you can see, it doesn't even matter what I connect on it, it works very well. The build quality itself is decent enough. It's fully made of plastic, or the housing, And that is something I have seen with different models that are more expensive than this one, that's more like a metal casing and feels even more durable. But that is something you need to decide for yourself. Are you searching for a nice way or a portable way to bring a monitor with you, or having this extra monitor on your desk for your PC or your laptop? This can be a very nice solution. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you think of this, and consider subscribing, hit the little bell. I have a lot of great stuff coming up, and I will see you in the next video.